Well, it is Friday and the weekend is coming up very quickly. It's almost here. With that said, it's important to understand that as the weekend comes in, most of our calls come in on the weekend. And I was in court this morning representing a client in Philadelphia on a sentencing that went very well. But I realized that one of the reasons why we put out a weekly newsletter on Fridays, even though we're going to court typically on Fridays, because we know that it's a critical time for many people because people are out and about on the weekends. And if they're going to have a legal problem, they usually have it over the weekend. With that said, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, I put out an article this past week that was available in the weekly update, which went out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. It's very important to understand that even medical marijuana users have a problem with DUI and DWI. Telling the officer that you are a medical marijuana user and that you just ingested some marijuana in any form isn't a defense to a DUI or a DWI. As I've written in the past, you can be DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, even if you have taken a prescription drug and you are under the influence. That may change things with regards to mitigation if the case goes to trial and if you're convicted, but it is not a legal defense with regards to those charges. In addition, it's important to understand that you can be a user of these drugs legally, and there can be things in your car that are contraband, and the officer, based on the smell of marijuana alone, that provides possible probable cause to search the car in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, understand that Pennsylvania, I put out an article that recently warrantless searches were once again deemed illegal, but police are finding interesting ways around that, and we continue to fight that battle in courts in Pennsylvania. New Jersey warrantless searches are still allowed, and there isn't as strong of case law there. So just be aware that if police want to search your car, remember, be polite, be respectful to the officer, but do not give consent to search your car. It will never help your case. If police find something in your car, there's no need to make a further statement. Even if the officer says, if you simply own up to it, I'll go easy on you respectfully to the officer, he or she doesn't have that authority. Further, with regards to traveling in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, remember that your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. You can't cross state lines with it. New Jersey takes it very, very seriously. We represent a lot of clients, a lot of out-of-state clients, not only in Pennsylvania, who cross over into New Jersey, but frequently people travel from literally all over the country. I've represented clients from as far out as Mississippi to as far south as Georgia, to people who have traveled often for business purposes with their weapons, didn't think there was anything wrong with traveling into New Jersey, and find out that they're facing a possible state prison sentence. And I've written a lot of articles on things that we can do with regards to PTI and Graves Act waivers. Finally, with regards to any type of contraband, once again, it's important not to give a statement to police. Just give your license, your registration, your insurance, and that's it. Do not make any further comments. Even if police find a gun or contraband on you when they do a search, again, no statements to police. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available on the site. It's a great tool to have going into the weekend. You can also sign up for our free weekly update, which goes out every Friday to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's supposed to be a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.